Morning po. Magre-review po tayo ng peanuts today. Garlic peanuts, Mani Mani. Yan po yung pangalan po ng brand. No? This was bought from Dali. So this is another Dali product I mean. So mura lang po ito. Anytime you would crave sa peanuts and limited budget, pwede po kayong dumana sa Dali and purchase this. So i-test po natin siya today. I already took my baseline blood sugar po. No? It's currently at 119. So, of course, through CGM po. Tapos, I'll eat the peanuts. After 2 hours, babalik po ako to check po ulit yung CGM if para makita po natin kung ano pong ginawa na itong peanuts na to sa blood sugar ko po. Naka 2 hours na po. Mani po yung kinain ko today, no? Yung peanuts that I bought from Dali. So, nag-start po tayo with blood sugar at 119. After 1 hour, umakyat po siya. Bumaba po siya ng konti. Nag 117 po siya. And then, on the final hour, 121 po. So if you're going to take a look at yung graph po niyan, no, sobrang minimal po siya straight po yung graph po niya, halos hindi po siya gumalaw. So ang conclusion po natin dun, wala pong problema yung peanuts, no. By the way, I forgot to mention, hindi ko po inubos yung isang buong pack. 80 grams po, napansin ko 80 grams po pala yung laman nun. So para maganda po yung comparison natin with the other nuts I tried from Dali. 60 grams lang po yun eh. Remember yung cashew nut, 60 grams. Yung almond nut, 60 grams. Kung halimbawang between meals, yung famous merienda para sa Filipinos, nagugutom ka, you can grab a pack. But remember not to, huwag niyo pong kainin lahat ng laman. So pwede pong kalahati, 80 grams po yun eh. So pwede pong 40 grams. Tapos the other 40 grams sa susunod na merienda time na po. So yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.